Welcome to Drawlipa channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable night light or eye comfort shield in your Samsung Galaxy A25 phone. So at first open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down a bit and then go to display option. From here scroll down again and here you can see eye comfort shield option, then just tap here. Now by tapping here you can enable night light. And you can see it's enabled successfully. Now here you can see two options, custom and adaptive, and you can choose any option as you want. If I select custom, then you can set schedule for night light. Here you can see three options, always on, sunset to sunrise, and custom. I suggest you to set sunset to sunrise. You can also increase or decrease your night light color temperature from here, and you can set any level as you want. Also, if you cannot find eye comfort shield option in your phone, then you can look for blue light filter option. And that is how you can enable eye comfort shield in your Samsung Galaxy A25 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.